Open Filmora 13 and import your desired video. Make necessary edits before moving on to the text effect. Go to Titles and add a default title. Edit the text in whatever purpose you may have. Adding a faded outline is also important for emphasis. Adjust duration of the text and decide where it will end. In this tutorial, we will utilize the mask tool to get the desired effect on the first part of this video. The problem is that we cannot mask a title. But there's one way, which is to make it a compound clip. We can now mask it in this way. We will be using the draw mask as it is easier to manipulate. The goal is to hide the text first and then reveal it with the help of keyframing. Take note that you need to draw a mask over the edges of the building or other objects in your video so it will be smooth. Invert the mask to see and unsee the masked text. Check the text 5-10 frames apart if it is already appearing. Adjust your drawn mask every time a part of the text will come out. Take note, if you started keyframing already, you cannot add other points in your draw mask since it will ruin the effect. Just move the points in the mask that you did earlier. It's a tedious job to do, and I spent around 25 minutes to finish. But I am telling you that it will be all worth it. As you can see, I am adjusting the mask whenever a part of the text will appear using the invert mask feature. If you reached this point of tutorial, thank you. Comment cinematic below if you're still here. It's already done, but before exporting, double check. However, if you want some other cinematic title resources, feel free to check my previous video. That is it for today. Thank you for watching.